huge factor behind getting an All India rank of 343 personally for me was Career Launcher. I had enrolled in a 2-year online classroom program, and that was perhaps the best decision that I had taken during my entire CLAT journey. The material offered by CL, the worksheets curated by GP Sir and the team, etc., the teachers, faculty members, and our mentors played such a monumental role in creating a strong foundation academically and psychologically that is needed to crack the exam. But personally for me, the game changer was the CL mocks. The CL mocks, along with the analysis, helped me navigate and narrow down my strengths, my weaknesses. And after I had given 30 to 35 odd mocks, I was so well acquainted with the CLAT pattern that on exam day, it was simply instinct, second nature to solve them. And that includes facing the time crunch, the difficult questions, the unexpected questions, and the unexpected changes that you face. And personally for me, because the CL mocks were so similar to the actual CLAT pattern, that played an immensely important role in my cracking the CLAT and getting the NLU that I wanted. So I'm immensely grateful to the mentors, the teachers that helped me throughout this journey, and the CL mocks, and and the entire CL team. Thank you.